Good morning everyone. This is the tutorial video I want to show you. This is ideology of Dreamavro. So the next thing you have to do is click the three dotted line here, then click make a copy. Just do exactly what I'm doing. Don't edit the form. Please don't edit the form. Then write your mentor name in bracket at the front. Let's see, mentor Alex. Just write Aleza. So Aleza. So mentor Aleza, you just only have to write Aleza. Another mentor, if you are mentor Catherine, mentor anything, just put it. Mentor Abubakar, just put Abubakar. So now all you just have to do is click OK. When you are done, then when you click OK, the form is going to load up to show you exactly the form you copied. And all you just have to do next is click the three dotted line again after successful load up. Network, I guess. So this is it. You add collaborators. The next thing you click is add collaborators. When you click add collaborators, then just type my mail here, which is creator website owner at gmail.com. When you do that, you click send, then it is all done. Do you understand now? In here, type creator website owner at gmail.com. I will submit my Gmail for you so that I can access the form. Thank you very much. That's just the video tutorial. Thanks. Bye.